my channel. This is Razim Maurya, and here I am going to teach you about congruency of triangle. Okay, for class 7 and also chapter number 7, and the topic is congruency of triangle. What is the congruency of triangle? We have already known, but let me explain the definition once again. We say that two figures are said to be congruent to each other if they have same shape and size. Or you can also say that if one figure superimpose the second figure or other figure, then it is known as congruent figure. Okay students, so let's see some question based on congruency of triangle, because we have already discussed about the categories of congruency. So let's start. There is a question: prove that the bisector of upper angle of top angle of an isosceles triangle isosceles triangle bisect the base at right angle. Bisect the base at right angle. So this is the question, and the question says that prove that bisector of top angle of an isosceles triangle bisect the base at right angle, that is at 90 degrees. So that here, in order to prove this problem, we have to prove that the isosceles triangle is given, and if we bisect the top angle of this triangle for two right angled triangle. So if we prove that, then our result will be proved automatically. So let's see what does the figure shows. This is an isosceles triangle. If it is isosceles, then its two sides are equal, so that its two sides AB and AC are equal, and this is the topmost angle. So if we bisect this angle like this, which is point D. So here it is not necessary that this bisector will also cut the line BC at the midpoint, because the line which cut the base at the midpoint is called median, and here we are discussing about the bisector. So it is not necessary that the AD will cut the line BC at its median. Okay, so this is the given question, but here we can see that if the bisector form right angle, that means AC and AB will be hypotenuse and AD will be height for the both triangle. So here we shall prove this. Here we can write in the figure AD is the bisector. AD is bisector and AB and AC are equal, so you can also write like this, and AB is equal to AC. So here we can say that in triangle ABD and triangle ACD we get AB is equal to AC. Okay, since the triangle ABC is isosceles, okay, and AD is equal to AD. AD is the common side. AD is the common side for the both triangle ABD and the triangle ACD. AD is common side for the both triangle, so therefore they will be equal. This implies that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, how? By RHS congruency. By RHS congruency, therefore angle ADB is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Since here we have proved the congruency by RHS congruency condition, and RHS congruency condition is applicable only for right angled triangle. So therefore the angle ADB and angle ADC are of 90 degree, and hence the bisector make right angle at the base, and hence our theorem has been proved. So students, I hope it is clear, and if you have any problem then you can ask me, just mentioning your doubt in the comment section. Okay, so let's see one more question. Okay, so let's see next question, and the question is, show that in an isosceles triangle so that in an isosceles triangle the angle opposite to the equal side, the angle opposite to the equal side are equal. Okay, students, so this is the question. And what does the question say? So that in an isosceles triangle, the angle opposite to the equal side are equal. Okay, so let's see. First of all, we shall draw an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC, and here we have to prove that the angle opposite to the equal side are equal. So here we can see that angle C is opposite to the side AB and angle B is opposite to the side AC. So that let us see, here we have to prove that this triangle is divided into two right angle triangle, and here we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. So just following the previous rule, we can easily show that this is the congruent triangle. Okay, so let us see here, triangle ABD and triangle ACD are right angled triangle, and we prove that they are congruent. So for this, here we write AB is equal to AC, since triangle ABC is isosceles. Okay, so this is the condition, AB is equal to AC because the triangle ABC is isosceles. And in the next, AD is equal to AD, since AD is common side. So therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, here we have proved these two triangles are congruent. So now if we see that, here we find angle C is opposite to angle side AD, and angle B is also opposite to the side AD, and AD is equal to AD, therefore angle B and angle C are equal. So this implies that angle B is equal to angle C, since AD is opposite equal side. like this we write, because AD is opposite equal side and therefore the angle opposite to the equal side are equal. So student, I hope it is clear to everyone. So if you have any doubt, then please mention your doubt in the comment. I'll clear your doubt in my next video, and in the next video I'll bring with new question. Till then, goodbye.